Good morning, everybody. Here to rinse out another t-shirt for you. Beautiful, beautiful tie-dye. With a nice pinch of lavender in the back, coming off that blue violet. That blue violet is powerful, people. I love the blue violet. Afraid it might overrun that golden yellow, but we'll see. Golden yellow is just so light. Citrus, I'm sorry, not golden yellow. Golden yellow is deep, but citrus yellow is very pastel.
I'll go ahead and take this sucker inside.
Alrighty.
Get the rest of this color out.
To the inside.
Such beautiful colors.
Such a beautiful color. Go hang in our sinks. Get it unbanded.
Ooh, look at that green. This was a tricolor, remember?
Very, very nice. Lovely pastel tricolor. Well, half pastel, half deep colors. Mixed bag tricolor. We get a cool watercolor type effect out of it.
Wow.
Look at that.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Look at that purple in there.
Man, all sorts of colors.
Looks so pretty.
What a beauty.
And
Man.
those blues right there, look at that.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
It's beautiful. There.
And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful spiral. Nice pastel tricolor with the mist gray. Look at all the gray coming through. Just a perfect pattern. Nice pastel, citrus yellow, dragon fruit, and blue violet. We don't use blue violet enough. It's a very interesting blue-purple blend. It creates these cool blue-purple shirts like this. Yeah, good striation all the way through. Just a perfect pinwheel. Perfect little pinwheel. Oh yeah. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.